Definition of Herringbone Technique. The Herringbone Technique is a technique that establishes comprehension of the main idea by illustrating who, what, how, where, why, and how to question a visual illustration of a fish skeleton in which the student write the main idea on the backbone of the fish diagram. Beside the herringbone technique is a simple graphical organized and is practical to a way to help language learner to find full meaning in the paragraph or expression. State that herringbone strategy is strategy to develop comprehension of the main idea by folding who, what, when, where, why, and how the question on a visual diagram on a fish skeleton. This is herringbone graphic. Number 1. Who was the character? Who question explain about who the character in the story. Number 2. What did they do? What question explain about what the character do in the story. Number 3. When did they do it? When question explain about the time of a story occur. Number 4. When did they do it? Where question explain about the place of the story occur. How did they do it? How question explain about something can happen. Number 6. Why did they do it? Why question explain why something can happen.
Point to the benefits. The advantages of herringbone technique provides many advantages for the process of reading. Technique has some advantages as follows. Number 1, it helps students for encoding the information in a manner that enhances their ability to answer essay questions. Number 2, it helps students to draw relationships between facts and main idea in the text. Number 3, the students can find facts and put them into the diagram. Number 4, the students can construct a main idea from the facts in the paragraph. Number 5, the students are more active in a group discussion after using the herringbone diagram. The procedure of herringbone technique. This purpose is to provide students with a framework for making decisions about main ideas and important supporting details in material that they read. The procedure in the following. Number 1, students work in pairs or triads. Number 2, students read a selection from a content textbook or another piece of reading material. Number 3, after reading, groups complete the herringbone by the discussion, the text, considering possible answers to the question on the herringbone, and deciding creatively upon the answer that seems best to them. Number 4, when groups have completed their task, the teacher convenes the entire class so that groups can share their decisions and the reasons for them with each other. The focus of this discussion should be on decisions and reasons rather than right answers.
Conclusion. In light of the research findings and discussion, it can be concluded that the implementation of herringbone technique to overcome the students' problem in reading comprehension is successful. The students get benefit from modeling the use of this graphic organizer on a chart paper. In implementing the herringbone technique, students are encouraged to organize and classify the information while they are reading. Herringbone technique as one of graphic organizer used for establishing, supporting detail for a main idea is an effective tool to improve the students' comprehension. Thank you.